A Day in My Life as a first year college student in ADNU. Outing edition! Let's go! May fellow Atenean! Yan!
Nakapatsikay ako.
Paano Ben? Nakamotor lang sila.
Riders yan eh.
Tayo lang yung dalawang Ateneo dito.
Ayos lang yan, tayo lang po.
Hi guys, my name is Dribble Bugtong, a first year information system. Pupunta kami ngayon sa Punta Almara! Dito naman kami sumakdo para kumain. Kasi maya-maya lang, mababa yung biya. Dahil maya-maya mabambayan namin eh. Dito ka lang makakita ng driver na naka-helmet.
Daming nagpapara sa akin, pogi.
Anong sabi nila? Pagka-tenisa daw?
Pogi. UNC.
Oh.
Second lang.
UNC! Totoo ba? Ay, akala ko UNC to. Ah, marinero na. Babaero.
Tama, tama.
Hindi lahat.
Kwento mo yan eh. Finally, we're here sa Punta Almara. After 3 hours of driving, here's our beach. Like, look at this. I can't wait na mag-swimming kami dyan with my friends. Now we're filming sa ating mirrorless camera, the Sony ZV-E10. And compared to our iPhone 15 Pro Max, mas trip ko talaga yung mirrorless camera natin. Di ba ang ganda guys? It looks like more cinematic tingnan sa ating mirrorless camera. Also, they have a swimming pool too. Tara! Currently, we're here in this cottage. Punta natin pool. Tara. So we're going on the pool guys. Let's go! Woo! Actually, takot kasi kami sa beach eh. Kaya swimming pool na lang.
Kasi,
Nakita kami short.
Parang nawawala na ata kami dito. Alam mo, kanina pa tayo nawawala dito, Tom, ha? Ay, parang yun ata. Boy, yun ata. Let's go! Ay, oo nga. Ito na yung pool. Look at this! Maliit lang pala siya. We have here the bedroom. And ito yung pinaka-importante eh, because we have the aircon. We have mattress. Alam nyo, parang Pasko dito. May Christmas tree pa. Daming ilaw. Wow! Doon na to doon.
flower.
No, it's in the flower. Guys, ang ganda na ito. Tignan nyo, may mga stars. Ang dami mga stars dito. Wow! Say I don't feel like doing anything. Iyan ako. At andito na nga sila nagsiswimming na. Kamusta ang swimming pool?
Okay naman siya, madami akong nainom na tubig.
Oy! Nag-away na naman kayo para kayong mga bata. Alam nyo ko rin nahihiya dito eh, pero support lang ako eh. Go down.
Nahulaan mo, sa'yo na. Sorry, thank you.
Ay, lagi ko yan. Ayos lang. Hindi ko alam kung sinong gumawa nito, kung bakit napakataas.
Itapon sa dagat!
Bakit ang trip ha?
Tulong.
Hello guys! Pauwi na kami from our trip. Tom, how was your experience?
It was fun.
Yung totoo?
It was fun!
Woo! Woo! Guys, how was your experience sa trip? Wala na, mga tulog na.
Well, of course, the environment was really good. The place, the lights, the vibe, everything is good, yeah.
Anyway, thank you sa napaka-pogi naming driver.
Alright, let's sing!